In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to trade using the Weex exchange platform. Now, the Weex exchange platform is a no KYC exchange and you can access it from anywhere in the world, whether you're in the US, in Europe, or in Africa. You can access this exchange. Now, if you use the link in the description of this video, you're going to be getting 20% deposit reward on your deposit. So that means if you deposit $100 right away, you're going to be getting $20 in bonuses. Now, just go ahead and enter your email address and sign up to receive your new user gift. So you do not even need to do a KYC, which is know your customer, to be able to use this exchange. Now, one of the unique things about this exchange is that it has a leverage up to 400x. Of course, the higher leverage you use, the more risk of your trade, but then just in case if you want to play around or you want to use some big leverage, then Weex is the exchange to go for. But just remember not to risk more than what you can afford to lose. Of course, this video is not a financial advice. I'm just a guy sitting here teaching you how I do my own trades, so you can do yours if you want to do that. Now, right here on Weex, I'm going to show you around how to trade using this platform. Over here is where you have the coins listed here, so you can choose any one that you want to trade per time. Right now I'm looking at the Solana USDT chart, and right here you can take the trades that you want. You can use this radar to select the amount that you want to trade per time. So over here, I'm watching this chart right here, and you can see the time frame here. I'm watching it on the 15 minutes time frame. So as I'm looking at this chart right now, my bias is to enter a sell. So I can decide to go on a sell for this particular coin right now. So if I want to do that, I will simply come over here and choose the amount that I want to trade per time, and then click on open short. So right here you can select to use isolated or to use cross margin, but I usually love to go with isolated. So right here now I can now select the amount that I'm willing to use for this trade. So right now, let's say I'm going to enter this trade now with 18 USDT right here. You can see that's the amount I want to enter this trade with, and then I'm just going to click open short because I want to sell this market right now. And then it's going to bring up this notification right here, so make sure you check everything and it's correct. So I want to use a 50x leverage with 17 USDT, so I'm just going to click on confirm. Alright guys, that's how I'm going to wrap up this tutorial. I hope you got some value from this. Now, if you want to join my crypto community to trade with us, check the link in the description of this video and you can join the Telegram group and the Telegram channel. And also, if you'd like to hop on a one-on-one mentorship coaching program with me on crypto futures trading, also check the link in the description of this video and you'll be able to reach out to me. Until I come your way next time, keep winning, and I will see you guys in my next video.